was walking through the fire, carrying yesterday. Every fear and every failure tried to block my way. Then your mercy met my mourning, called me by my name. Now I'm dancing in the freedom only you can bring. No more shame, no more lies. Your love opened up my eyes. Every chain fell to the ground. Now your joy is all around. I'm unchained and free. Jesus rescued me. Every prison door swung open wide. Now I'm living on the other side. I'm unchained and free. This is victory. Heads lifted high, heart redeemed. I'm who you said I'd always be. I'm unchained and free. You turned mourning into dancing, darkness into light. Filled my soul with resurrection, hope that won't run dry. Every step's a new beginning, every breath a song. I'm gonna praise you all my days because you brought me home. No more fear, no looking back. Grace has put me on a different path. Every burden lost its claim. I'll forever praise your name. I'm unchained and free. Jesus rescued me. Every prison door swung open wide. Now I'm living on the other side. I'm unchained and free. This is victory. Hands lifted high, heart redeemed. I'm who you said I'd always be. Freedom's here, I believe it. Grace is alive. Receive